In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image. Say I want to remove the background of this image here. Now this will not work on on all images. I'm going to downsize this here a little bit. I'm going to hold down Shift while I drag down to keep it shape. Like I said, this will not work on all images. You have to have a decent resolution image. First thing I'm going to do is go up to View and go down to Show Transparency Grid. So we see what we have to work with here. What I want to do is remove this white background around this cartoon figure. First thing I'll do is make sure your image is selected, and I'll go over and click on Embed. In the Properties panel, I'll click on Embed. I will go up to the top where it says Image Trace. I will click on that. Make sure that your image is selected. I will go down to where it says Mode. I don't want black and white, of course, I want color. The rest of it you could pretty much leave the same. I have my colors turned all the way up to 30. And then I will click Trace. And it will take it a little bit to trace it, depending on the speed of your computer. Now it is traced. Now what you want to do, make sure that your image is still selected. Go up to Object and down to Expand. Click on Expand. I have these two boxes here checked. I will click OK. Now it is expanded. Now you have to click off your artboard. Click back on your image. And the way that I do this, you could do this a few different ways, but the way that I do it, make sure that your image is selected. Go over to the Shape Builder tool, which the shortcut is Shift plus M is the shortcut. The Shape Builder tool, I'll click on that. I'll go over to my picture, to the area in which I want to delete. I'll hold down the Alt key, and I will left click. Now I will go back up to my selection tool, and there we have it. I've deleted the entire background. Now if you want to save this as a transparent background image, all you do is go up to File, down to Export, Save as Web Legacy. Now you can save this as you want to save it as a PNG. You can save it different file types, but if you want a transparent background, you want to save it as a PNG. Make sure transparency is selected, and make sure clip to artboard is not selected. If clip to artboard is selected, you're going to get your entire artboard with the figure. You want to make sure that's unselected. You just want your figure here, and then you just click Save. Put it in whatever destination you want to put it in, and you can name the file whatever you want to name it. Click on Save. And there we have it. That's how you remove the background. Like I said, that will not work on all images. You have to have a decent resolution image for it to work, to be able to trace it. Thanks for watching.